Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna try new makeup that has been out there not too long ago. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. First thing I'm gonna use is the new e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is a clear one. So I've been searching for this primer for such a long time. I love this color. It really reminds me of Cancun or the Maldives. This is the Power Grip Primer, and that is just like a pump. So I don't know if you can actually see the color. I don't know if this is gonna be enough. I think it's gonna be enough. So it is clear and it feels like a gel. Okay, I feel like it feels sticky. Not sticky. Yeah, it feels a little bit sticky. Again, I'm not really a fan of it. And it doesn't have a smell. This is not new, but for me, I have to do it. I have to apply orange concealer. So that's what I'm gonna do really quick. Just some orange concealer. Sometimes I put too much orange concealer to stay on the normal amount. I'm just using this creamy concealer from Maybelline, and you guys know I always do this just to have more coverage, especially on the pimples that I have. And I'm just gonna blend really quick the orange concealer. I'm gonna use a new foundation, which I mean, this is not a new foundation. TJMAXX recently launched. I feel like it's been a couple of weeks. I heard it's pretty good, and I said to myself, okay, let's try it out, because I was thinking to do this video with new makeup products, and I was like, I should include the TJMAXX. This is from his brand One Size Turn Up the Base. It's called the BBB Cream. I was thinking that this was a BB cream, but it's 3 B's. Beauty Blur Balm. This product is to prep, blur, and tint. So to prep, applies as whipped cream to hydrate and smooth skin with avocado and mango butters. To blur, transfers to meringue texture to blur skin, and controls oil with white roses stem cells. And it's a tint that dries down to a velvety marshmallow finish to seamless tinted coverage with skin like treated pigment. Texture be gone. So before you turn off the bead, twist up the cap and remove oil seals, etc, etc. Okay, so I went actually to Sephora, to the store. You guys know that I rarely go to the actual store at Sephora, but I didn't want to buy it online just because I really wanted to nail on the tone. So I got the light 2 golden undertones. I was between light 3 and light 2. This will be my actual shade. So I got the light 2 light golden undertone. So many shades. So this is how it looks. I assume that you guys have seen it on social media. I love it. I love the packaging, that this is like actually matte and this is glowy, and it really pops into my eyeballs. So it says turn off the base, BB cream, beauty blur balm, and then it says in French, and then at the back it says be the ultimate blur boss with buttery, bouncy, smooth skin, texture be gone, extraction applied to clean, prime and moisture skin. Okay, love that it's just like this. It's nice. Oh my god, it's coming out. Apply maybe 2 pumps, 1 and 2. Okay, and start blending. Okay, it has a little bit of smell. Actually nailed it on the shade. This is actually my shade. This is awesome. I like it. I love how it feels on the skin. Hold on, let me get a mirror. Really like it. After the One Size, I'm gonna go with concealer. Concealer, this is nothing new, okay? So I'm just gonna apply this really quick. I think I don't have this one anymore. I'm just like grabbing, scratching whatever it's rest from the bottle. And the hydrating one from e.l.f. Just apply it on the outside and just going to blend this really quickly. That I always move on to bronzer, but let's switch it up a little bit and let's move on with the eyes. So with the eyes, I want to do something super simple with, again, the palette Tres Luce Beauty La Flor de Mexico. It's their new palette. You guys know we play with it. We did a whole video with this palette. I'll leave the link down below on the description box. The color that I'm gonna use is called Morning Glory. We use this one, but I feel like we have to use it just because I feel like it's a transitional color that we have to apply it. So I'm just gonna apply this one really quick on my crease, just because these eyeshadows are so pigmented. To that, we're gonna use the color Flor de Mayo, which this metallic eyeshadow, and I'm just going to apply it with my fingers, just because I feel like it's so easy to apply this. It is so beautiful. This color, it's almost the same one as the one that we applied on the crease. So I think we're gonna do something different. Not different, but I feel like we're gonna add a little bit of pop of color. So now I'm gonna go with the color Yuca Flor, and which is this white eyeshadow. And I feel like this eyeshadow, it's perfect to have some pop or more glow on the brow bone. So that's what I'm gonna do. And like that. I said I need a pop of color, so I'm gonna use one of my favorite eyeshadows, which is called Nopal, which is this gorgeous green. And oh, by the way, I was gonna flip the mirror, but when I did the video only this palette, I told you guys that I didn't know what was going on, and somebody was so kind to send me a video on Instagram explaining me that how I'm supposed to do with the mirror. So it's not broken, it's nothing wrong with it. Just this time, remember I told you guys I couldn't put it up, and somebody explained it to me that you just have to flip it over and just basically ta-da, and it's higher. Grab Nopal, and I'm going to apply it on beneath the eyes just to have that pop of green. Oh my, it looks so beautiful. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. So it gives a lot of difference to the makeup look. After that, I'm going to apply some mascara. First of all, the L'Oreal Air Volume Makeup Mascara. This is nothing new, just to start prepping my lashes. Just gonna add this nude pencil on my waterline. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Colossal Curl Bounce Mascara for my lower lashes. So now let's move on to the lashes. So for the lashes, we have something new. These are the new Ardell Light as Air lashes, and how did I find out about them? I saw them on Instagram, and I went to I think I went to CVS, and I was like, okay, let me see if they have it, which I thought they wouldn't, and they did. So I think there's only 3 types of these lashes. I'm not sure, but this, I got them the 521 Light as Air Weightless Innovation 50% lighter lashes. And I love the packaging. I just love that it's blue, and then on the back it says unique carton, 100% recycled paper and biodegradable. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. And look at this, printed with soy milk. Plus it gives you a little bonus. You have the glue from Duo. It definitely feels much lighter. It's the hair doesn't look that dark black. Bronzer, I bought the new Physician Formula Bread and Butter bronzer. I got the shade Baked The limited edition, they launched this one. They also their blush one, the strawberry. Oh my god, I also wanted to buy the strawberry one. If you have heard of this bread, it's in Mexico, we called la concha, which is a traditional bread which is sweet. It has sugar. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna put a picture if you guys don't know what I'm talking about, but with a cup of coffee, it's delicious. But anyways, it definitely reminds me of la concha. I'm just not gonna order too much because I don't know how pigmented it is. It definitely gives you a vanilla scent. And just start bronzing my face. You can definitely see some fallout, so just keep that in mind. It smells really, really good. So after the bronzer, I really like the bronzer. I'm gonna go with this one, which is a 2-in-1, which is a lip and cheek tint. This is the new L'Oreal Glow Paradise lip and cheek tint. I believe they had 5 to 7 shades. The 30 Everlasting Coral, and this is for the cheeks and the lips. A sheer wash of dewy color with a rest of moisture and a fresh cooling sensation. Naturally enhances lips and cheeks with stained glass effect. This is how it looks. It is so cute. I always love how they gave us the packaging from L'Oreal. I actually thought this was gonna be much bigger. This was $10, so I'm going to apply it on my cheeks first. Like, applied it on my cheeks. Okay, actually this is the first time that I use like a tinted product. Oh goodness, I think I put too much. I don't need, oh my god, I think I'm doing it wrong. I'm just like dragging. Oh goodness, like how it looks, like it looks sheer, and then no, I just don't like it. At the beginning it feels sticky, but then it really like blends into your skin. Use another finger and apply to the lips. I think I did too much. Just gonna highlight really quick my face. Okay, so this is the final look with all these new makeup products. I just love how the eyes look. Okay, so let's talk really quickly about the products. Oh my goodness, I loved the Once Eyes Turn Up the Base. Love it. Like I said before, I thought it was gonna feel like a BB cream, but it's a little bit more matte, but it's not really on the matte range products. Not even a medium matte foundation, nothing like that. It's just something different. I really loved it, and I love that I actually got the shade that I'm actually for the Physician Formula Bread and Butter bronzer. I like it. I just don't like how it feels, the packaging. This was $16, and for $16 I would expect the packaging, the box, to feel a little bit much of a $16 product. Love the product. It's really nice. Now let's move on to the lashes. The lashes are very light. If you have tried the Ardell lashes, it was much lighter than that. I feel like I was gonna break them. I really like them. I just had like, yeah, I really like them. You guys know I love the palette from Tres Luce Beauty, La Flor de Mexico. I told you guys that on the video that we actually did a full complete video on this palette. Love it. I just wanted to play with it again, and I love how it turned out. The makeup looks so soft, so simple. Now for the primer, I really like how it looks on the skin, how it worked, the e.l.f. with the one size. I just don't like the feeling like it's a little bit sticky, but I like how it looks after. I thought this one's gonna be like similar to the Maybelline, because the Maybelline one, you can work a little bit more than this one. It dries quicker. I don't know, I'm in between. I like how it looks on my skin, but I just don't like the feeling at the moment when I'm applying the product. Now, the L'Oreal Lip and Cheek Tint, I don't like how it looks on my cheeks. I like blushes to be matte. So this tint, I don't like it on my cheeks, on my face, but I love how it looks on the lips. They're smooth, it feels so nice on the lips, and it gives you that tint that it says that it's gonna give you. And I really like, so this is definitely gonna be on my lips. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have tried any of these products on the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you when I upload a video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.